Did you know over 50 million phone screens crack every single year, and the main culprit isn't dropping it on concrete, it drops right out of your hand? That slippery, naked phone feeling is a disaster waiting to happen, especially with the massive, gorgeous iPhone 17 Pro Max. Today, we're cutting through the noise to bring you the top 6 grippiest iPhone 17 Pro Max cases, designed to stop your flagship from sliding out of your hand, off your desk, or out of your pocket. We're talking maximum security, flawless MagSafe performance, and grip so good it's like your phone is Velcro. This isn't just a list, it's a showdown of texture, utility, and protection, so you know exactly which one to buy. Stick around for the number 1 pick, the undisputed king of no-slip protection. And remember, all links are in the description, so you can grab the best prices right now. 6. CASEKOO Official Blue. The ultimate utility tank. Starting strong, the CASEKOO Official Blue is a key tank in the utility category. It's got an insane 18-foot military-grade drop rating, instantly outclassing lighter cases like the FireNova and TORRAS Q3. But yes, that comes with extra bulk. The star feature is the patented 360-degree spin magnetic stand, or Magic Stand, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum that pivots horizontally and vertically with zero wobble. A level of versatility the SUPCASE UB Grip or Ringke Onyx simply can't match. MagSafe? CASEKOO's proprietary Mag Prime array claims double the strength of Apple's, locking your wallet or car mount in place like nothing else. Matte finish provides reliable friction, though for pure tactile grip, it's less aggressive than the Ringke Onyx or the finger-grooved Smartish Gripzilla. Trade-off? Bulkier than slim cases, but for those who want extreme protection, ultra-strong MagSafe, and a multi-use stand in one, this is elite-level value. Question for you. Is an 18-foot drop rating overkill or peace of mind you need for a phone this expensive? Comment below. 5. FireNova Magnetic. Soft silicone grip plus strong MagSafe. The FireNova stands out with soft, buttery silicone that feels incredible in hand. Its N55SH magnets provide 7.5 times stronger adhesion than most competitors, giving rock-solid MagSafe connection for chargers, mounts, and wallets. Unlike CASEKOO, it's thinner and more everyday friendly, but lacks MILST drop resistance and integrated kickstands. It also cleverly protects the camera and camera control button with built-in shields. If your daily life prioritizes comfort and supreme magnetic connection over extreme drop survival, FireNova is a top pick, especially for users who want a soft, secure grip in a minimalist package. 4. Ringke Onyx. Slim, textured grip champion. The Ringke Onyx is all about tactile excellence. Its micro-embossed sides and granulate back panel give a grippy feel that outshines CASEKOO's smooth matte, without the bulk of silicone or multi-layer military cases. TPU construction is lightweight and durable, reinforced at corners for everyday protection. Bonus, individual camera bezel covers and lanyard holes add practical flair. Trade-off? No extreme drop ratings or integrated kickstand like the TORRAS or CASEKOO. If you want a slim, high-friction case that just feels secure, Onyx is your winner. Are you a soft silicone or firm textured grip person? Drop your preference below. 3. TORRAS Q3 Silicone with stand. Soft meets military-grade utility TORRAS Q. 3 blends silky liquid silicone with high-level protection. Internal airbags and a PC frame give a 12-foot drop rating, superior to the FireNova. Its 360-degree spin stand doubles as a ring grip and adjustable kickstand, rivaling CASEKOO's Magic Stand. Strong N52 MagSafe magnets and tactile camera control button round out a soft, cozy, functional package. Slightly bulkier than the Onyx, it's perfect for those who want soft comfort and certified drop protection. Would you prioritize soft, comfortable grip or rugged toughness? Comment below. 2. SUPCASE UB Grip, the rugged workhorse. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Grip is heavy-duty, MIL/S TD810H, certified for up to 15-foot drops, and offers deep, textured side grips that make the massive iPhone feel secure, even in wet hands. Its multi-angle aluminum kickstand and N52 MagSafe magnets match the strength of CASEKOO and TORRAS. Integrated camera control button covers add thoughtful protection. Trade-off? Noticeably bulky and utilitarian, but for those who want maximum certified durability with excellent tactile grip and solid MagSafe performance, the UB Grip is hard to beat. 1. Smartish Gripzilla, the Grip King. And finally, the undisputed champion, the Smartish Gripzilla. This case is all about drop prevention through superior handling. Cushioned finger grooves and textured side panels deliver unmatched ergonomics, making it feel far more secure than SUPCASE, CASEKOO, or FireNova. Military-grade grip armor, air pocket, corners, and rigorous drop testing from 6 feet ensure protection when accidents happen. MagSafe compatibility is strong, matching CASEKOO and UB Grip, but without an integrated kickstand. The singular focus here is grip. If your goal is the grippiest, most secure-feeling case that molds to your hand and survives real-world drops, Gripzilla is it. Which case do you think looks the grippiest? Comment below, outro/call to action. And that's a wrap. The top 6 grippiest iPhone 17 Pro Max cases. From the tactile excellence of the Gripzilla to the rugged UB Grip and the soft, multifunctional TORRAS Q3, there's a no-slip solution here for every user. Whether you value military-grade protection, MagSafe strength, or an integrated kickstand, the best case is the one that stays in your hand and keeps your phone safe. If this helped you pick the perfect case, smash that like button. Drop a comment with which case you're grabbing first and why. I love seeing your priorities. All links are in the description, so check prices and grab your favorite today. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.